Hi guys. Today I will show you how to reuse any wastewater tap. This is a tap, its all threads are good. But the other taps that have all the threads are broken. Can't stick with concealed if this thread doesn't exist. Today I will show how to rethread this broken threadless tap. I would use a female 1/2" T for this job. Select any one of the bottoms of this T and cut little deep and divided it into 3 sections. This cutting should be done very carefully. First of all, the hand should never touch the cutting blade. Second, there is no overcutting. The 3 small divided sections must be broken by any process. Care must be taken not to break large parts. Take a look and you will understand. If there is a tap head cap, it must be cut off. Now the head of the tap should be rubbed a little to make it smooth, otherwise the thread will not enter the cutter. Now the head should be rotated clockwise by pressing it gently in the thread cutter. Doing this will rethread the broken tap. The thread gets quite hot during cutting, so doing it with water will give better results. I am now attempting to cut the thread with water exposure. Now see, the thread is already made on the tap head. Use thread cutter to make thread on the head of all waste taps, and save your money. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends, and you can tell me more about it by comment. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video. Thank you very much and best wishes for you.